Hello, everybody. This is David Bovin, your Director of Training here at Kale Realty, and I just wanted to do a quick video for you guys on the price escalation addendum. So, really, what the biggest issue that people have with this is just not understanding that they need to keep it simple. So, we've gone ahead and we've made this addendum. We have it here in Kale Realty Docs and .loop. So first I'm going to go through the addendum itself. The following price escalation addendum shall be made a part of the purchase and sale agreement with the date between the buyer and the seller for the property address, and the price is X amount. By executing this escalation addendum, buyer's final purchase price at buyer's option may be increased to X more than the highest competing offer, but only so long as the sale price does not exceed X, which figure represents the maximum amount the buyer is willing to pay. The competing offer must be a bona fide, arm's length written offer on a form approved by a realtor or legal trade group or similar organization for use with residential real estate transactions in the jurisdiction where the property is located. B, contain all the material terms necessary for an enforceable agreement under the law of jurisdiction in which the property is located. C, require the full purchase price be paid in good funds at closing. D, provides for closing no later than blank days from the acceptance date. And E, is not contingent on the sale of the buyer's property. So basically what we are saying here in a nutshell is I'm willing to increase my price X amount more than the next highest offer up to this amount. So let's say you're writing an offer for $100,000. You are willing to go to 110. So you would say potentially, totally up to you and the seller or buyer, but may be increased to $1,000 more than the highest competing offer, but only so long as the sales price does not exceed $110,000. Or you can do $100. Whatever you would like to do. Obviously, $100 is kind of low in the amount that the other person would probably be willing to pay that $100 had they known that's what was going to happen, but then they should have done the price escalation, right? And that's really the point, is that you don't have to be scared of the escalation. It's not that complicated. It can be a really great tool if utilized correctly. Just make sure that you explain it to your buyer in the correct manner. And when you make the offer, that you explain it to the seller's agent, the listing agent. If you have any questions about how to go through this or anything in particular at all, really, but with the escalation addendum, it's pretty simple. Just let me know. David@kalerealty.com is my email address. I am happy to help. Have a great day.